What's the matter, Alyssa? What's wrong?
Hey,
What did... Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what?
Do you need a hug?
Wait, what did he say? What did the letter say? Edward doesn't want to marry you? What? So if he doesn't want to marry you, who does he want to marry? He wants to marry me?
Yes.
Wow, I am honored. How long has that been going on? You can have Emmett.
Does he like
You can have Jacob! You can have Jacob!
I don't want Jacob either! I want Edward!
You can have Carlisle.
Should we read this out? Alyssa, I just want to say I'm sorry again. I cannot marry you anymore. My heart does not belong to you. I can never marry you. I never loved you. Never and have...
Never have, never will.
Never have... Oh, I get it. Never have, never will. I only talked to you because I liked your hands, but not anymore. I can go here. I am going to marry Haley. I find, and that is never going to change. For some reason, you're too young to know. Too young But when the time is right, you will find out.